All right, guys. So I had a power cut, so you know, right now I don't have the backup power. I have, but it's just not working here, right, in my new place, because of the long wiring throughout the house, right? So maybe the power is so weak, it do not, I mean, enough for the computer. Okay, but anyway, so we have this MySQL workbench also added, right? And when you connect to this one, this is administration schema. Look at the schema, right? And you can see this review summarizer database. Okay, what I will do, I'm just gonna generate something from the chat GPT and try to add here, right? Some basically data, right? So let's go to the chat GPT, uh, and there is some prompt, right? So let's look at the prompt. First thing we need is, first we need to add our schema. Okay, so I hope this will work. I have never tested. I'm just trying, right? So schema, find out schema that is in my project. What is my VS code? So go to the Prisma schema, right, and copy all your schema. So earlier, right, I thought this name does not have to be changed. Okay, what happened in your migration, right? When you create a migration, look at here. Now my table name is this one. So reviews, right? Products. Look at here, and summaries. So when I refer, right, I'm going to refer to these table, these name. Okay, so everything is fine. It looks great, right? I mean, we just map to these name. Okay, so table has created to this name, right? So that's okay. Now what we can do is, I'm just gonna copy this schema up to here, right, up to product, and go to the chat GPT and put here, right? Next, we gonna add the some prompt, right? So generate complete SQL script to populate the products and reviews table in my SQL database. See, this is important, right? Because if you just ask to generate the script, right, SQL script, it will generate for the Postgres SQL or maybe other database. You don't know. So we very specific for MySQL database and above schema. Fine. So we have the schema, and this is the first uh, prompt. Second, create 5 product, right? So yeah, okay, products. So it will create 5 products. For each products, insert 5 realistic reviews. Make sure each review is long and tailored to the product type. Do not include data for the summaries table, right? Do not include data for the summaries table. So I'm still telling not add to for summaries table, right? And because summaries we're gonna generate through our AI, right? We're gonna click the summary and then button, and then it will generate the summary for that review. But it's any product, right? Output only the SQL script, no comments or explanation, right? See, this is very details prompt I have written, right? I will copy this and add here. Okay, so hopefully, right, if I go down, I mean, you can see now, right, it will read. Oh, okay, it start already creating now. See, I have 5 products, and then it will add, you know 5 reviews for each product, right? See, good. So it's ready now, right? I can copy the code and bring it to the workbench, and I'll just try to put in this query one, right? See if this will work. Okay, so I will add here, and what else I can do, right? Can I save the script file, execute the selected portion. So we're gonna select, maybe let's select control A, right? And execute selected portion of the script for everything, right? So let's see if this work, or what is this? Commit, no. So I'll just click on this, save the script to the file, right? So I'll just try this and see what happens. So it's saying insert into product, right? Okay. I mean, we have selected database. I don't know why it didn't work. So if we go back to the table now, right, in the product column, and I mean, if you look at now, price, okay, I don't see anything here, right? So it should add, but I don't know why it did that. SQL addition, right? Automatic context. Okay, let me delete this. Is there a way I can add? So if I click here, so create SQL table for executing, right? SQL script file for the new query tab to open the inspector, right? No. Create new schema, no. No. Create new, no. Query. I have selected this. So load, what is this now, right? File path. Check if db file is present, right? Check if the table will be imported to schema, right? Table will be imported to the schema review summarizer. Okay, but I don't have that file. Reconnect to dbs, disconnected. Server tool scripting, view, edit file. I don't know how to add that. So let me pause and I'm trying to. Okay, guys, so it worked, right? I mean, I click this SQL command. Only thing I was missing is this table name, use review summarizer and semicolon, right? And then whatever I copy from the chat GPT, and then after you press on this button, execute, and it will add all this information right inside our table. So hopefully it should be there already. So if you go to the column now, right, and ID, name, where is the details? So yeah, where is that? It should display like list of item, right? But I don't see, but you can see now I have here. Okay, I mean, we can check also, we can review in our uh, burn x, right? Burn, what was that? Burn, burn prisma, burn x, maybe burn x prisma studio, right? And hopefully we should have, yeah, look at that. We can check, we have this table, and then we have 25 reviews also. So it's there. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so that is all. At least we inserted the data now, right, inside our database. We're gonna continue in our next video for building the backend first, right? So let's stop here.